Sigmund Freud, the Austrian neurologist and founder of psychoanalysis, revolutionized the understanding of the human psyche and its complex workings. His theories on the unconscious mind, the development of personality, and the structure of mental processes have profoundly influenced both psychology and Western thought. Here is a detailed exploration of Freud's philosophy, encapsulating his major theories and contributions. Early life and background. Sigmund Freud was born on May 6, 1856, in Freiburg in Moravia, now part of the Czech Republic. He was the eldest of 8 children in a Jewish family. When Freud was 4, his family moved to Vienna, where he would spend most of his life. From an early age, Freud showed an insatiable curiosity and an aptitude for learning, particularly in the sciences. Education and career. Freud studied medicine at the University of Vienna, where he graduated in 1881. His early work was influenced by his research on the anatomy of the brain and the nervous system. Freud later shifted his focus to clinical neurology and began working at the Vienna General Hospital. It was during this period that he started developing his theories on the human mind and psychological disorders. Psychoanalysis, the unconscious mind. Freud's most significant contribution to psychology is the concept of the unconscious mind. He proposed that much of human behavior is influenced by unconscious desires, thoughts, and memories. Freud believed that the unconscious mind is a reservoir of feelings, thoughts, urges, and memories that are outside of conscious awareness. According to Freud, the unconscious continues to influence behavior and experiences, even though people are unaware of these underlying influences. Structure of the psyche. Freud introduced a model of the human psyche comprising 3 distinct parts. 1. Id. The id is the primitive and instinctual part of the mind that contains sexual and aggressive drives and hidden memories. It operates based on the pleasure principle, seeking immediate gratification. 2. Ego. The ego is the rational part of the mind that mediates between the desires of the id and the realities of the external world. It operates based on the reality principle, negotiating the demands of both the id and the superego. 3. Superego. The superego is the moral component of the mind that incorporates the values and norms of society learned from parents and others. It aims to control the impulses of the id, especially those which society forbids. Psychosexual development. Freud's theory of psychosexual development posits that children pass through a series of stages centered on erogenous zones. The stages are: 1. Oral stage, 0–1 year, pleasure centers on the mouth, sucking, biting. 2. Anal stage, 1–3 years, pleasure focuses on bowel and bladder elimination. 3. Phallic stage, 9–6 years, pleasure's own is the genitals coping with incestuous feelings. 4. Latency stage, 6 puberty, dormant sexual feelings. 5. Genital stage, puberty on, Maturation of sexual interests. According to Freud, the experiences and conflicts that occur during each stage can have a lasting impact on an individual's personality and behavior. Defense mechanisms. Freud identified various defense mechanisms employed by the ego to protect itself from anxiety caused by the conflicting demands of the id and superego. Some of the key defense mechanisms include: 1. Repression, unconsciously blocking unpleasant thoughts and feelings. 2. Denial, refusing to accept reality or facts. 3. Projection, attributing one's own unacceptable thoughts or feelings to others. 4. Displacement, redirecting emotions to a substitute target. 5. Sublimation, channeling unacceptable impulses into socially acceptable activities. Dream analysis. Freud believed that dreams are a manifestation of our deepest desires and anxieties, often relating to repressed childhood memories or obsessions. In his seminal work, The Interpretation of Dreams, Freud introduced the idea that dreams are the royal road to the unconscious. He posited that dreams have both manifest content, the literal storyline of the dream, and latent content, the hidden psychological meaning. By analyzing dreams, Freud believed one could gain insight into the unconscious mind. Oedipus complex. One of Freud's most controversial theories is the Oedipus complex, which he described as a child's feelings of desire for their opposite-sex parent and jealousy and rivalry toward their same-sex parent. Freud believed that successful resolution of the Oedipus complex was critical for the development of a healthy adult personality. Impact on therapy. Freud's psychoanalytic therapy aimed to bring repressed thoughts and feelings to conscious awareness through techniques such as free association, dream interpretation, and transference analysis. This process, known as catharsis, was intended to help individuals understand their unconscious motivations and resolve internal conflicts. Criticisms and legacy. While Freud's theories have been highly influential, they have also faced significant criticism. Critics argue that Freud's theories lack empirical support and are overly focused on sexuality. Additionally, some consider his methods unscientific because they rely heavily on subjective interpretation. Despite these criticisms, Freud's work laid the foundation for many subsequent theories in psychology and psychotherapy. His emphasis on the unconscious mind, the importance of early childhood experiences, and the complexity of human motivation have continued to shape psychological research and practice. Later life and death. Freud fled Austria in 1938 to escape the Nazis and settled in London, where he continued his work until his death. He died of cancer on September 23, 1939. Freud's later years were marked by significant suffering due to his illness, but he remained intellectually active and continued to influence the field of psychoanalysis. Freud's influence beyond psychology. Freud's impact extends beyond psychology into fields such as literature, art, anthropology, and even popular culture. His concepts of the unconscious, repression, and the significance of dreams have permeated many areas of human thought and creativity. Writers, artists, and filmmakers have drawn on Freudian ideas to explore the depths of human experience and the complexity of the psyche. The unconscious mind in modern psychology. Modern psychology has built upon and diverged from Freud's original ideas. While some of Freud's specific theories are no longer widely accepted, the notion of the unconscious mind continues to be a vital area of research. Cognitive psychology, for instance, explores unconscious processes like implicit memory and automaticity, which show a conceptual debt to Freud's pioneering work. Conclusion. Sigmund Freud's contributions to psychology and philosophy have left an indelible mark on how we understand the human mind. His theories on the unconscious, the structure of the psyche, psychosexual development, defense mechanisms, and dream analysis have provided a rich framework for exploring human behavior and mental processes. Despite the controversies and criticisms, Freud's work remains a cornerstone of psychoanalytic theory and practice, influencing not only psychology but also a wide array of disciplines and cultural expressions. His legacy is a testament to the enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of the human mind and the complexities of human nature. Thank you for watching video.